fucking half speed or quarter speed.
Oh, where are you, laddie? Where are you? I'm here at the place. Oh, look, here he is.
Oh, here we are.
Hey, that's the laddie. That's the laddie. You know how to do this stuff? Can you do this? Oh, I'm having a dance. Get a big grin on your face. You just get this big grin on your face when you're dancing.
Yeah, I've been pissed once.
Alright, have you seen this one?
Yes, I'm dancing.
Have you seen this one? Oh, check you. I'm having a sleep. I'm just sleeping.
Yeah. Oh, that's that one. That one.
He just falls down sleeping. Get up, you scurvy dog.
Come up.
Hey, Tina. Oh, it's Tess. We're at Tess. Oh, where are we?
Tash is at the other one.
Where are we? Oh, we're at this bloody joint. Rightio. Yep, okay. It's one of my first places I was at. Right, gotta look at the map. Where's the map? Where's the bloody map? Forgot where the map is.
In the car. Sorry, in the car. In the boat.
In the boat. That's right. I'm playing a different game. I'm playing... Oh, god damn, I'm playing so many games. I keep forgetting what's what. Right. So, we know how to sail. We know what we're doing. I wonder if it lets us have... How many... Yeah, you're ugly too, mate. I always walk up to the gold traders and tell them they're ugly. Okay, here's our little boat.
Yeah, I was preloading the cannons and all before when I was starting to set sail.
Oh yeah, you got to do that. Yeah, you learn to do that real quick. So we've got... Yep. Alright, so we've got 40. It's a brand new boat. 40 cannonballs. We should have 15.
I just grabbed another 5.
15 planks and 15 bananas and... Yep. Right, it's a new boat. Okay. And I'm going to see if I can do something here. My crew. Vote to lock in the brig. I can lock you in the brig if I want.
Fuck off.
You don't have enough crewmate to
I wonder
vote.
what that was down there for.
No, it doesn't let you do it when there's only 2 people. But if you've got a crew of 4 people, just to piss.
If we get a random to come on, we'll just throw him in there.
Throw him in the brig. Straight in the brig. That's the shit. Alright, I just want to say we shouldn't have any missions. There should not be any. Oh, there is. Okay, so I've got my 2 that I've got left over.
I've got a brawl with the pitiful crew of the Silent King.
Yeah, I've got that one left and the Silent Rose one. Oh, let's just try one. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll vote for that. See, Dagger went in, and if you vote... Ooh, we're off. Okay. Arr.
I've loaded the cannons.
See all these lights?
Yeah, I did that as well.
Fucking light. Hey! You right?
I said that.
Hey! You go down below then.
Hey, Captain.
I'm the captain, you bastards. This voyage, I'm the captain. You can be captain next voyage.
That's fine.
This is a...
I'll leave the one on underneath though. Okay, leave the one downstairs on.
Yeah, I usually leave that on just
Right,
in case I've got to find holes. Oh yeah, we got full sail. So what
I've
I do...
already turned the steering wheel slightly.
Let's get
Yeah, I
that
do
going.
that as well.
Oh, you go, laddie. There we go. And we're off. And now. Ooh, there we go. Okay, turn.
Your sails set at an
Oh, he
angle
fell
to-
off. It looks like he fell off then. Yeah, easier.
Nothing.
You get ready to drop the anchor, and then I can... Oh, this will be a good one.
Yep.
We can do this
Yeah.
heaps easier.
Yeah, you tell me when you want me to.
Yep. Alright, I'm going to head it towards it and turn. Alright, here we go. Three, two, now! Boom! Gotcha. See that? Smashed it out.
Yeah,
Smashed it.
I was pegging him with me little musket.
And okay, now come over here, you.
I have to use the cannon. Let's
Okay.
shoot him.
Now get up the front of it. Up the front. See, it says load yourself.
No, he's enjoying this.
So I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot this guy. Boom! Well, where'd you go? I put you right into it. Sorry, man. Oh, it's a Captain. Okay, Captain. Well, they're going after you. Ah! Bastards! Okay, just the captain left. Get him, Jay. Ah. Is he running? Where'd he go? God damn, he's a cheeky bugger. Woo! 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 Okay, we got his head. We got the foul bounty. The whispering bloody skull. They're creepy bloody things, aren't they? That's here we go. There we go. We're safe. Neither of us hurt it. Where'd you put?
Both better grab a skull, eh?
Where'd you put your skull? Oh, you put them both up there? Oh, I put mine up there.
Yeah, put them both up. So I just thought I'd put it up there. Yeah, like you said.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got to go to skulls. Oh. Okay, this is the quick way off. Under the mast. Psh, into the water. Come up. Where is he? Are you going to jump off? I'm watching you. Jump, Jay, jump. Woo! Psh. That's the weird looking one. Why have you wrapped your face up? Ooh, 267 coins. You get more coins when you're in doubles. Woo! 154.
154?
What?
What the hell?
What's your caper? I'm coming. What's your bloody caper, girl? What's your bloody caper? Yeah, I'm bloody watching you. Yeah. Tell you what.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, look out, lovey. I got one left. I'll give you a shot. Next time, pay up. We pay up next time. I'm not unsteady. I know what I'm doing. Now get out of my way. I'm having another drink. Hey, Tina. I don't know about drinking these full mugs of rum, but hey.
I seem a bit drunk.
Okay.
Hey, where'd you go?
I need my bucket because I'm going to have a spew. You need to ready for it. Oh, ready for it.
Can't even find you for
Come here.
all over the place.
I got it. Hey, Tina. Oh, Tess, or whoever the bloody
I'm locking himself in this corner
Where are you?
so I can see.
I'm over here.
Oh,
I still haven't spewed. Alright, I need another drink, Tina. Oh, there we go.
oh, he just spewed on me.
Ah!
Just look.
Look at me bucket now. Look at me bucket. Oh, you spewed on me, you bastard.
Did I?
Yeah, I can't see anything. You bastard. Oh, you're spewing on me again. There you go. Can you stand still? You keep moving. Stand. Buddy, stand still. Okay, watch this. Stand still. You can't, can you?
Trying to.
Here's to the
sort
crew.
of.
Okay, you see I got a bucket of spew?
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's on you.
Oh, yeah. Shake it off. Shake it off. Oh, shit.
Here's Crook's Hollow. That's it. No, Crook's Hollow's over to the left there. All we got to be worried about is cannonballs coming out of there. So keep an eye. They'll shoot at us probably. Yep, here it comes. Here comes Cannonball. Ah! I'm gonna shoot back. Ah!
You're beating it.
I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot back. Oh, look at this cannonball! It's gonna hit! Oh, it hit! It hit! It hit!
It did.
It hit!
Did.
It got us! That's alright. I got it. I got it.
Just out of their reach now. Here comes another one. Comes another one.
Oh!
No, all right.
In the snake oil, yeah.
Oh, we've got some sunlight. The sun's coming up.
We got. What is it? What did you call it before?
Oh, a sunset. Or sunrise, sorry, not sunset.
Sunrise. Oh, so we've been all night. No wonder it's been terrible. Hello. Look at that sun. Doesn't that look
There's
good?
the sun's rising quick. Shit.
Doesn't that look good? Yeah, you should see how quick it is through your telescope. Hey, it's Armageddon! It's Armageddon! If I saw the sun rising that quick, I'd be going, no, that's not the sun.
Holy shit, yeah.
It's an entity. You got away from me. There he is. Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. Come here. Where'd he go? There's a white one here too. Got him. Aha! White one's behind you.
Which one did you get?
I got the red sparkle.
Behind
Here's the
you.
white one. Here's the white one. Over here. You got him! Hey! All
Just
right.
left chicken or check is swimming. Yeah, just like that. That quietens you down.
Doesn't have a long fucking distance thing in it.
Where's that ship going?
He's behind
Where's
that
that
rock
boat
there.
going?
He's behind that big rock to the left.
Shit, better get. Oh shit, I fell in.
Man overboard! Man overboard!
I'm swimming.
What's going on? Release! I'm trying to release the fucking anchor. It wasn't doing it.
I'm coming, Captain. I fell.
I can see you. I can see you. I got a plank ready for you. Where are you, son?
I'll stand on that.
Come on, you're gonna make it, G. I know. I
can
watched
see
you
looking
fall
with
off.
your with your. Yeah, you can tell when someone's looking with the telescope.
Hello.
'Cause you can see the glimmer of it.
Yeah, right. Right on this dock. I'm gonna say drop anchor now. Now. Come on, turn. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
you couldn't have. Geez.
Yeah, see? You get the teamwork going on that shit, and the team's cool. Hey, Jay, guess what?
Hey, you missed me.
You ducked! You ducked! It looked like he ducked when I threw it. Ah, it's been a lovely voyage. Okay. I see you, Captain J. Hey, I'm rough. He's gonna throw some sport at me while I'm having a dance.
If I could stand.
Go on. Oh, you missed me. It went beside me. Oh, it's in your bucket. Oh, you missed. Oh, you got me. It's in my face. I can't see anything. I can't see. Oh, not again. Oh, it's horrible.
Fish air, get out of here, get some fish air. If I can get out the door. Oh, missed the door.
You can't get out the door, can you? The door's just here, mate. Here, I'll stand next to the door and help you. Here you go. This way. Not this way. You can't make the door. Let me help you there, son.
Oh, come on, out, yes! Oh, fresh air.
You're feeling better. You're holding your bucket. Oh, that's the end for me. I'm running away. No. Ah! Help! Where am I? I don't know where I am. Ah! Alright.